How AI improves online payments. Shopping online has become more popular for consumers, especially since the pandemic. The convenience of being able to shop for one's necessities at your own pace and leisure are a significant benefit when paired with quick shipping speed and free return policies. AI plays an important role in improving online payments and transactions. The use of AI in online payments serves consumers who need to pay by providing an easier, safer, and more enjoyable payment process, which encourages online shopping. Here's 4 primary ways AI improves online payments. Easier to pay. When it comes to online commerce, the last thing consumers want to do is handle all sorts of payment information. Filling out your credentials is a task that can add minutes to the transaction process and detracts from the shopping experience. With the help of AI-based software, online payment platforms can remember your credentials and then automatically fill them out. Facial recognition is also another way of speeding up this process with the assistance of AI, machine vision, 3D sensing, and big data. Using biological information not only makes digital transactions easier, but safer as well. Better information security. Data privacy and information security are vital for the online payment system. If leaked, this is a huge threat to users' financial security. Two-factor authorization helps solve this problem. Two-factor authorization is an extra layer of protection for the user's online data and information. In addition to asking for the standard username and password, two-factor authorization will ask for further personal information to double-check the user logging in. This can take multiple forms, such as a unique one-time code via email or text, to being asked a number of personal questions. Identifying fraudulent transactions. AI-powered algorithms can collect a variety of data from online payments and transactions, such as learning patterns from previous fraud cases, analyzing real-time transactions, and giving a pass or fail decision. Better customer experience. Customer experience is an essential part of shopping. For many people, shopping is a form of entertainment that allows them to relax and have fun. Reviewing a wide variety of goods, trying them out, and finding the most suitable product is just part of the shopping experience. Wasting time on paying is something that consumers do not like and should be made as fast as possible. Thanks to AI-based software, digital shopping is easier, faster, and more secure.